At Boss CNC Routers, we build industrial routers meant for industrial usage, obviously. In this video, I want to show you some of the things that we do. We buy the steel, we weld the frames, we build the entire machine. We're not just bringing the machine in from some other country or putting our name on it. We're actually building every aspect of the machine. In this video, we're actually machining the Phenolic table. It's 3/4 inch thick Phenolic that goes on our machine. Here we're locating the holes. We're countersinking the holes for the lockdown screws. And if you'll notice how fast the machine moves between operations. All our drives are 1,000 kilowatt AC drives. Here we put a temporary dust shroud on our machine, and we're just coming in and actually machining in the vacuum, the high flow vacuum grid for the machine. We've added the vacuum holes and the pop-up pins. Thank you for watching the video.